In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Google Earth in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on Open to continue. So in a few moments, you would be able to bring up the Chrome window. Please wait until everything are set before you proceed. So here, please navigate to the search bar and type for Google space Earth. Once you're done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So you can see a first result. Please click on the Google Earth link so that you would be able to be redirected to the Google Earth window itself. So you would be able to see a window like this. And once you are here, please navigate to the upper right side of the screen. You can see there are three dots. Click on it so that you can navigate to the list of the option. Please locate your cursor to the cast, saved, and share, and go with install page as application or app. So wait until this window would appear where it asks you to confirm your action. Please click on install, and until any window would appear here in our screen, that would mean that we have successfully installed the Google Earth in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close as well as this the window and you're good to go. So there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Google Earth in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you would like to pin it to the taskbar, all you need to do is you need to navigate with this notification, click on yes, or you can simply make a right click here and wait for some time until this kind of window would appear. Go with show more options, click on it, and wait until a new window again would appear here on our screen. Okay, and there you can see pin to taskbar. So you can tap on it and in that way you would be able to pin it to taskbar. Now if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.